I want also to give apologies for my two colleagues, Governor Godana and Governor Taita. We had told them, Your Excellency, that will be here from 11. So I think they didn't get up early, but they're on their way here. So I'm sure you will be able to mingle with them a bit later. So, Your Excellency, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, let me start by welcoming you for the second day of the Kilifi County International Investment Conference. It is a privilege to address this esteemed gathering of leaders and investors who share a passion for turning potential into prosperity. This conference, under the theme Accelerating Economic Growth Through Partnerships, symbolizes the transformative power of collaboration. Kilifi County stands at the forefront of this journey, offering vast opportunities across diverse sectors to those bold enough to invest in a future of shared success. Kilifi County's transformation into a regional investment hub is rooted in partnerships that have already begun to bear fruit. We are proud, Your Excellency, to showcase a series of milestones that underscore our commitment to fostering growth and creating an enabling environment for business. The One Voice Consortium, representing our diaspora community, has committed a 10 billion projects of housing for our diaspora community in Malindi, retirement and holiday homes, revisionalizing our real estate landscape. These successes, Your Excellency, are a testament to the partnerships we have cultivated between government, private entities, and international development partners. You will also, Your Excellency, witness strides we are making in cementing our position as leaders in blue economy as a catalyst of economic growth through an MOU with Kenya Shipyards here today. We are exploring the construction of water boats for fishing and tourist transportation along the coastal belt. Our intention to work with other government agencies, development partners, and investment community is unparalleled. Kilifi's story is far from over. Today, I am excited to unveil bold initiatives that will further position Kilifi as a leading destination for global investment. An international convention center. We are planning to develop a world-class convention center, Your Excellency, an exhibition facility that will establish Kilifi as a hub for business tourism, a step that was further advanced by an MOU we signed this week with the Kenyatta International Convention Center, Your Excellency. This will attract international conferences, trade expos, and summits, driving demand for services across hospitality, retail, and transport sectors, and creating jobs for thousands of locals. Facilities for medical tourism. We are planning the construction of a cutting-edge healthcare facilities, including a level 6 teaching and referral hospital, to make Kilifi a destination of choice for medical tourism. This initiative will offer advanced medical services, attract patients regionally and internationally, and foster the growth of auxiliary sectors such as wellness, tourism, hospitality, and logistics. The 3,000-acre special economic zone at Kayafungo in Kaloleni, Your Excellency. This industrial hub will attract manufacturers and investors, creating thousands of jobs and transforming Kilifi into a center for industrial innovation and export-driven growth. Your Excellency, the song we have heard always, and I will not stop to repeat, Malindi Airport expansion, Your Excellency. By expanding Malindi Airport, or developing a new international airport, we aim to position Kilifi as a global gateway for trade and tourism, unlocking new markets and opportunities. These transformative projects will elevate Kilifi's status on the global investment map while delivering tangible benefits to our people. Your Excellency, key sectors such as agriculture, blue economy, renewable energy, ICT, manufacturing, real estate, and tourism remain central to our growth strategy. Kilifi's agriculture sector is diversifying through value-added processing for fruits, nuts, seafood, and livestock products, with immense potential for export. In the blue economy, investments in sustainable fisheries and aquaculture are unlocking the wealth of our marine resources. Renewable energy. Projects are not only addressing local energy needs, but aligning with global sustainability goals, making Kilifi an ideal destination for green energy investments. On the real estate and tourism are thriving with high-end projects such as the Vipingo Ridge, redefining the standards for luxury and ecotourism. We are also actively empowering our youthful population by creating opportunities in the digital economy and fostering entrepreneurship through skills development and innovation. Ladies and gentlemen, Kilifi County is a land of immense potential, ripe for investment and ready to deliver exceptional returns. We are committed to maintaining a business-friendly environment with streamlined processes, robust infrastructure, and a culture of trust and collaboration. To our current partners, thank you for your confidence in Kilifi. To prospective investors, I invite you to join us on this remarkable journey. Together, we can shape Kilifi into a beacon of opportunity, innovation, and shared prosperity. Before I invite the Cabinet Secretary, Your Excellency, to make his remarks and then invite you, you will be pleased to know that in the course of the preparation of this conference, Your Excellency, we have signed a number of agreements and MOUs with various partners. Today, you will witness signing of 3 more and the launch of the employment pathways for youth by USAID, an $8 million project targeting over 16,000 youth with market-relevant instructions, Kilifi being one of the beneficiaries, as well as Kilifi County Development Corporation, which will be launched in this conference. Your Excellency, I think I don't want to stand here and get all the credit without recognizing the team who worked with me tirelessly, headed by my deputy Flora and the private sector team we put together to make this conference a success. So I want my deputy and the team, both from the county and the private sector, to stand and we give them an applause. Asanteni sana for helping me to put this together, and also thank my wife for the long nights I was not at home. Asante sana with the family. She's also here to witness that I was not seeing another. Thank you very much, and let me take this. Thank you. Let me take this opportunity to do what is remaining to be done. Thank you very much, Your Excellency, for accepting to come and bless this occasion.